What's going on, guys? Today we're talking about 4 ways to generate awareness about your adult day center because you have this beautiful space that you can show off. So what can you do to make more people in your community aware of what you do here, right? So that being said, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, show a little love. If you don't, we just gonna end it right here. All right. For those lucky few that liked, commented, and subscribed to our channel, we will continue on. So what are 4 ways that you can generate awareness for your adult day center? Because you have this amazing space and a lot of times it's not being utilized, but you could be utilizing it to make the community aware of what you do. Number 1, it's a great place to host educational events, especially educational events that are related to what we do, right? So think elder law attorneys, the VA, talking about VA benefits and how VA benefits can pay for adult day. You could have, a financial planner helping people plan for their retirement, helping them understand long-term care insurance. There's so many ways that you can utilize your center to bring in a specialist that would be a fantastic resource for the people that you serve. And that not only is gonna get people through your door as far as being immersed in your environment, to learn about those other services, but they're going to get a little taste of your adult day center and what you have to offer. So it's a great way to generate community awareness, to bring people in and expose them to the idea of adult day that never had considered it before, that may be caring for someone today or might be sometime in the future. So educational events. The best part about this is you can host them monthly. They could be, after you close, so you get the space to yourself. The best thing you could ever do is just get into a monthly rotation where you're doing this on the 3rd Thursday or the 2nd Wednesday or something like that, where you're doing it consistently and you have different speakers for different topics planned throughout the year. Number 2, community partner events. This could be an event where you're doing a fundraiser for a nonprofit organization such as Meals on Wheels or such as your local senior resource nonprofit. Whatever the case might be, you're hosting an event, you're bringing people together, people that work in assisted living, people that work in home care, people that are case managers, people that are social workers, that are in the industry that are potential referral sources, and you're creating an event, a space that they can all come together, being the host and providing the space. And this could be a great way for you to bring people in the community that are really good referral partners and expose them to what you're doing in adult day and make them aware of what adult day is and how you can help those that they serve. Number 3, the adult day center is a great place, especially on the weekends, where you could host your very own health fair and bring other providers in, and then ultimately turn it into a place where the community is invited to come and learn about the services and resources available to them. And this is another opportunity to expose the community to what you do, what adult day is, and generate some awareness. And last but not least, the 4th one, which is a fantastic way, and it's the perfect targeted audience, but you can host support groups. You could partner with your local Alzheimer's association. You could have your own, but this could be for caregiver support groups. It could be for dementia specific, Parkinson's specific, spouses specific, adult children specific. You could have all sorts of different types of support groups where you're bringing everyone together. You have a moderator, they're coming to your place, and they're getting an idea of what the space is. What do you do? What is adult day and how can it help them? This is a great opportunity to, again, make the community, make your referral partners aware of what adult day is. So that being said, I would encourage you to do these things. Do them monthly, do them quarterly. Figure out a way to get them on the calendar and get into a regular routine to bring people into your space, into your environment. Show it off, make people aware of it. It's a great way to get the word out there about adult day. If you'd like to start your very own adult day center, go to adcpro.com. Make sure you sign up for our monthly webinars and make sure that you get into our private Facebook group. And if you haven't already and you'd like to open your very own ActiveAge, go to activeagecare.com/franchise. We'll see you on the next one. Peace. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel, click here. We'll see you guys next time.